In a bowl, we'll first mix 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of 5-spice powder. We then give it a good mix to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. We can then get 500 grams of our belly pork. Before basting, we're going to pat and dry every inch. Some people prefer to pre-boil this. You may wish to do so. I didn't on this occasion. Just going to ensure every inch is perfectly dry, ready to marinade and ready to baste our skin in a vinegar mixture. We then turn the pork upside down, making inch wide incisions before slicing down the middle lengthwise, being careful not to go through the skin. This allows the belly pork to really soak up the marinade. We can then baste the flesh of the belly pork, taking care not to touch the skin with a Shaoxing and seasoning mixture, ensuring every inch is coated in all the marinade. We're going to then flip the belly pork skin side up, ensuring that none of the mixture is on the skin. If so, we're quickly going to pat that dry before making it a nice little housing with some tin foil, allowing just the skin to show. Finally, we're going to really want to pierce that skin as much as possible. I don't own a meat tenderizer, so I got a bunch of, skewers to put up the skin. This allows the salt and vinegar to really penetrate, allowing the skin to really crisp up. I go through twice to really ensure I've pierced it as much as physically possible. In a separate dish, we're going to stir 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Along with the salt, this will help to draw out moisture and really give our pork a lovely crisp and crunch. We then completely baste the skin with the vinegar and baking soda mixture, again ensuring all is covered. For now, our meat is prepared and we must refrigerate for at least 24 hours to allow that baking soda and vinegar to penetrate and also to allow the marinade to flavour the flesh. After 24 hours, we rest our belly pork on a roasting tin with rack, and all we're going to simply do at this stage is coat the skin with salt. I used rock salt on this occasion, but I have used table salt in the past. It's really important to ensure that none of the skin is showing at this stage. We then place this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees C or 390 Fahrenheit for at least 2 hours. As you can see, I've just used a bit of table salt to ensure I've fully coated the skin. After 2 hours, we can remove the pork from the oven and very carefully remove the salt crust, taking care not to burn our precious fingers. One tip which I've learned over time is at this stage we can then add, after drying and removing all the salt, 2 tablespoons more of rice wine vinegar, perfect for that final crisp up. We then return the pork back into the oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until the skin is crisp, bubbled and ready to eat. So there you go, making sure not to waste any of that vinegar mixture. And if done correctly, your pork should sound like this. Beautiful. So we're going to remove that from the rack. And this recipe is so good, I just have to taste a sample straight away. Or 2, or 3. However, it is absolutely delicious, served on rice with some sliced lime and what we call a sweetened mustard, which is 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And there you go, there is our Siu Yuk. And look at that moisture and look at that crispy skin. Absolutely bang on and delicious. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, grab a friend, get them to subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button to see more weekly videos every Tuesday and Thursday. On the screen is links to 2 further videos. Bye bye.